Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another happy Thursday. I hope you all are doing great. So today's video is all about taking care of your hair. I think we do enough of things for our skin, but we neglect our hair a lot of times, especially during the weekday. It's so hectic and then there's sun and all that. So as our nannies and dadis used to say that we have to use oil, and I feel that oil is really important. So what I do is every Saturday I make sure I apply oil, because recently a lot of articles regarding onion juice and it's very good for your hair, but as we all know हम सबके पास इतना टाइम नहीं है कि हम पूरा अनियन का जूस निकालें and then we apply, क्योंकि हमारा already week इतना hectic रहता है. तो weekends पे हम ये सब नहीं कर सकते. I don't have enough time, और I am too lazy to do even apply oil. तो पूरा उसका जूस निकाल के लगाना तो it's impossible for me. तो I have come across this oil which has onion, the red onion, and a lot of other oils in it. So I've been using it for a quite while, and I thought I should share with you guys. So this video is about that. I am gonna do my chumpy, and it's gonna be a Saturday weekend hair care routine, so that jitna bhi week ka hectic hair that goes away, and you have shiny hair all the time. So yes, if you want to know more, just keep watching this video. So recently I came across this onion oil which is from this brand called Aegte, and we have heard so much about onion oil, and I really wanted to try this. So what I do is every Saturday night I just take a little bit of it and then massage into my scalp, because that's most important. So what this hair oil does, it helps you with hair fall, dandruff, itchy scalp, and also give you a lot of volume, glossy and healthy hair, and that's what I love about it. So I make sure I massage for like good 15 minutes, and I massage it really well, like I've shown in the video, and I focus on the scalp first, and with the leftover I apply on the ends, and that's how I apply my hair oil. And after giving it a nice massage, I just comb my hair really well, so that I have a really nice blood circulation. And then after combing my hair, I just tie my hair and go to sleep. And to avoid the oil stain, I just lay a towel. That's it. And this is also I've added in my routine, so I thought I should show you. This is a 24 karat gold vitamin C serum, and I've told it you guys a lot of times that vitamin C is so good for our skin. And this had this gold dust particle which makes it look so pretty, and I massage it on my skin really well and then go to sleep. Good night. And next morning when I get up, it's time to wash my hair, but you need to see how my skin glows because of that serum. It just softens and brightens up my skin, So now time to wash my hair. So I'm using this complete hair defense shampoo. I only use this shampoo because it's sulfate free and paraben free, and it has a lot of onion, kalonji, amla, and a lot of other things. So it's your choice whether you want to wash with this shampoo or any other. It's just that this shampoo makes little less lather, so I don't know if many of us will like it, but yes, I truly like it. So after washing, I just little blow dry it, and yeah. So this is what I do every Saturday, and give some love to my hair, and you should definitely try it too. And yes, there's also 20% discount coupon in the description box. Do check out. I have given up the links. So this is how my hair looks after washing, and I love the whole process. It's so relaxing. Look at the bounce I have in my hair. I've just blow dried it, and yeah, I really like it. And we have heard so much about onion juice and how good it is for our scalp, for so many things. There's so many benefits of it, and if you have never read about it, then I think you should Google it and see how good it is for your hair. And of course, in our busy schedules, we don't have time to do the whole process, but I think using a onion hair oil will be the best option, and this is what I found, and I thought I should share with you guys. I hope you guys like this video, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section below what you want to watch next, because I've been doing videos late in winter, and of course it's also a part of winter regime. So yeah, bye bye.